A U.S. Department of State official has said that the United States and India continue to strengthen their defense trade partnership, but India is not safeguarded against the penalty for the purchase of S400 air defense system from Russia, as no country-specific waivers are made available under the CAATSA. The U.S. Department of State official has also urged the U.S. allies to cease military procurements from Russia, or they might face sanctions under the CAATSA. Hindustan Aeronautics is developing a new variant of the Tejas Mark I fighter jet that will be available to the export market under the name TejEx. The new export variant will come loaded with supplemented local sensors and air-to-air and air-to-ground systems, and will replace some of the imported systems already in the Tejas Mark I. Top officials have said that most of the interested foreign customers are okay with Russian systems, but some of them are not so pleased with the Israeli systems on the Tejas Mark I, due to which the TejEx will replace the Indo-Israeli developed radar system, and will substitute the Israeli I-Derby and Russian R-73 with the indigenously developed Astra system. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the company has submitted the quotation for supplying 15 light combat helicopters and 83 Tejas Mark I fighter jets, and is currently awaiting the orders. As per latest media reports, China is not slowing the development of ballistic systems for the PLA rocket force. China had tested more than 100 ballistic systems during military exercises in 2019, and this figure greatly exceeds the tests done by the US and Russia. A large number of tests included the 2,150 km range DF21 and 4,000 km range DF26, and this illustrates China's plan for keeping US and allied naval ships far away from its coast. China operationalized the first DF26 unit in April 2018, and this Mach 10 capable Chinese ballistic system is located 4,350 kilometers from India's financial capital Mumbai. The Business Development Director of BAE Systems Dave Armstrong has said that 120 of the 145 M777 howitzers will be assembled, integrated and tested in partnership with India's Mahindra Defence, while 99 of the 123 Hawk trainers have already been assembled, integrated and tested by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. BAE Systems is interested in investing in India's Defence Corridor project, and has selected India's Precision Technology Casting Industries Limited, and will help it to be a global player in the aerospace and defense sector. BAE Systems is also expected to sign a letter of intent on the supply of 13 MK-45 naval systems for the Indian Navy, and is also competing jointly with Kalyani Industries Limited to supply around 550 L-70 systems to the Indian Air Force.